Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am showing some filter option, how to give filter uh, through face. So here is more some more lights. Okay, so I'm giving circuit like going here and I'm choosing power. And I have one dB, so this dB, and I need to give the circuit for that one. I'm just giving some circuits. So this one also I need to give one circuit. I'm just selecting and I'm giving circuit for that one. I'm not showing any wire over here right now, so I'm just giving. I'm trying to give some phase. We can filter through the phases. Okay, so that is what I'm trying to show. So just to select this one, and I'm giving circuits, and I'm selecting these lights, and I'm giving circuits for this one. So these one having some circuits, right? So that the filter option is coming through this phases. So how it will work, I will show you. Just giving this one having another circuit, and this one also having another circuit. So how we can filter through this one? So first of all, you just need to go to electrical setting, just type es, and we just need to give this one ryb and click ok, and select the db first, and come here, and the circuit, in the circuit naming you just need to select the biphase. So then we can give a filter option for each red ryb, red, yellow, blue, the different color we can filter it through the face. Okay, so just type you can go here, otherwise you can type vv, and go to the filter option. So I'm just removing this one and just go here, and I'm deleting this one also, and I just need to create one red face. So just type red face, sorry, red face, and click ok, and just go to this electrical lighting fixtures from here. Just select the lighting fixtures and come here, and give the circuit number from here equal to equal this contain. So just type like r. So our phase is r first. Okay, red phase is the first one, and just click ok, and just click again. We just need to create a yellow face also. Just duplicate this one, just edit this one. So just to give a yellow face, sorry, cap, sorry for caps. Okay, just yellow face, just type like this. Then here we can say like uh, um, this one having electrical fixes, lighting fixes already created, and just give a y, capital Y, and click ok. Oh sorry, I just need to make it another one. Now yellow face and red face is created. I'm just duplicating again, sorry, I'm just duplicating again, and just rename it this one. This one we can say like blue face, blue face, right? So capital blue face. If you like my video, please subscribe it. Blue face, and just here you can give a b, capital B. So that was created. Just click up, apply, okay. Then just you need to add the faces over here, right? Red, blue, and yellow. Just click it, okay. So red is the first one, so just give you the filter from here. Just solid fill, give a red color, solid fill, red color, and click ok. For yellow, you just need to give a solid fill. Need to choose the yellow color. I'm just clicking that one and just giving the yellow color again. So whichever color you require, so you can give it. But this one solid fill, and it's blue. Just click a blue solid fill. Just click blue, okay. Then apply it, okay. So you can see how it's work. So all the blue, it's come on blue color. The faces will come like this. So this is the easy method to how to give the faces colors for the lights. And even you can check it all the filters, whichever lights are there, different light. If you have different lights, so you can give the same way like this, and you can connect the wires and everything over here like this. So even the wire also you can do the filter, think so. Same process for the wiring also. So for example, if you are clicking over here and tab it, so you can connect the wires. And for the yellow, you can connect it like this and give a wire. And also for here, for the circuit also, you can give the wiring circuits. And this one blue also you can give it. Just tab it, press the light and tab it, and just give like this. Okay, so the wires, all wires will be showing over here, right? So just select this one. And this two light we can, if you need to add on this circuit, so how we can add it? So select the light first, and then electrical circuits, and edit circuit, and just need to add circuit. So just need to add circuit, and you can select it that one and select it this one, and finish it. So automatically that will come to the yellow circuits. So how we can filter for this wires? So I will show you that one, how it's work. So it's same process. We just need to give a VV or go to filter from here, and we have a red face over here, right? So just duplicate that one, and just we can say like this is red wire, red face wire, something like that. You can give the name. Just give a wire. I'm just giving a wire for this one. And just need to select the wires from here, right? So just uncheck this lighting, and then go to the wire. Then come here and just give a circuit, and it's contain red face, right? So just give a R for that and click OK, apply. And another one, you just need to duplicate this one and just rename this one yellow face. So just give a yellow face, very simple. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and like and comment. Just give a yellow face wire, just give it like this, click OK. So we just need to type it like yellow, because we duplicated, that is what, again and again don't want to select that one. Okay, just apply that one. And another one, just duplicate this one, just rename this one as a blue. So the wire also automatically we can filter the colors and everything easily. So blue face wire, this was blue face wire, click OK. And if your wires are there, and this is just type blue, then apply OK. So what will happen, we just need to now it was not reflecting. Why it's not reflecting? You just need to add these things to the our filter. So type VV and go to filter, and then just need to add these things like a blue face wire, red face wire, and yellow face wire. Just click it, that one. So here it will come. So just need to give these lines from here, whichever dotted or which lines you prefer. So you can give that one and give the line weight. And a red for just give a red, and click OK. And another one is the yellow one. So just need to give the same dotted, dash dotted, anything you can give it. And here you can give the line weight also. And next one is the blue face. Just to give same thing like blue, click OK. And here also you can give a 4 for the line weight and apply OK. So you can see all the circuits are come up over here with the specific yellow. If it's yellow, then it will come like yellow. If it's red, then it is coming as a blue, means red and blue and everything. So this way we can give the if you can give the circuit for this one power, select the dB and this one. So this is yellow circuit. So all the circuits with the colors are showing over here. So this is a simple exercise. Those who are working in electrical, so they can use this method. And you can filter it like this. So easily you can filter all the light with the circuit phasing and circuit numbers. So this is a simple exercise. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. It's totally related to AutoCAD and Revit. Thanks for watching. Thank you.